Hi, hello and welcome back. Vanjara meen, thala kulambu. This is a tangy fish curry prepared using Seer fish head. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. I've taken around half a kilogram of Seer fish head and I've cleaned it and cut it and kept it aside. For this fish curry, we're going to prepare a paste. Now for that paste, I'm going to use Kukum peels. Now I have taken around 4 to 5 Kukum peels and soaked it in water for 30 minutes. The Kukum peel is going to add tangy flavor for this fish. But if in case you don't find Kukum peels, don't worry, you can always use tamarind as a substitute. We will use 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Add the Kukum peels. One teaspoon of black pepper. We will grind this into a fine paste. I have preheated a seasoned mud pot. We will add 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Add 3 green chilies slit and 1 strip of curry leaves. Now we will add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Once the onion is fried to glossy, at this point of time, we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and we will fry it till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Now that the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone, we will add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste. Now we will add the paste that we prepared earlier. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add 1 glass of water and we will mix it well, close it to the lid and allow it to come to a boil. Once this has come to a boil, we'll open up the lid and now we will add the Seer fish head. Gently mix it and we will close it with the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now it has been cooking for 2 minutes. We will open the lid and turn off the stove. Now when you're cooking it in a mud pot, even after you turn off the stove, it will keep boiling because of the heat of the pot. Your vanjara meen thala kulambu is ready to be served. Hope you loved this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.